Kasi my father-in-law, who I never met, apparently he was good at nation building. Now naging politika and all that. I said, honey, kaya mo yan. God is good. At least it's you, then another. So that's why we keep traveling, di ba? To get investors in.
Yes.
Because we have no money. Ganun ka-simple. Walang pera, daming.
Masakit na bati ko sa inyo na talagang dinamdam nyo, ininda ninyo.
Me, I don't get Picon in the sense that it's really stupid na what they're doing. Parang, kumbaga sa level, they're not even sophisticated, di ba? Kumbaga sa, just invent. Ako, I get Picon when they hurt my sons. Like, for example, di ba, that, when President Duterte said, si Sandro Marcos gusto maging Prime Minister.
Pero yun sa inyo, have you ever contemplated on filing charges against these people?
You know, I'm a lawyer, right?
Apo.
Filing charges is my life.
Apo.
Kung yan ang huwag naman, sayang naman yung panahon ko. Filing fees lang.
Opo.
No.
Hindi pa.
No. Did my husband ever file against all these people? It has to stop. It has to stop somewhere, eh.
Pero kailan? Paano?
Against me? Siguro in 1,500 days.
Matatapos din yan.
And si Bog, sa dami yung sinabi, alam mo, Tatuning, he works so hard. He has aged because you know how hard it is. You're trying so hard. And ganito ganyan, nag-travel ka, na ganito. And it's all trolls, di ba? I mean, come on. Me, the most painful, nothing. If they, my son, yeah, my children, yeah.
Pero araw-araw eh.
Invento na nga eh. It gets more, that what you said, that, mayor of Davao or something.
A governor of Davao.
Kilala mo ba?
Yes.
Ako, hindi ko siya kilala.
Opo.
Kasi yung paggagamit ng pangalan ko, naku, may favorite. Gusto sabihin, alam mo, kung gagamitin yung pangalan, ako mismo tatawag. Hindi naman ako siya eh. I left na nga my law firm to be quiet, di ba? If I had my law firm, everybody could, am I making sense?
Opo. So you get all the credit eh, sa appointment ni ganito, sa pag-fire kay ganito, sa
At least I'm
pag-suspend.
famous. It depends. If haters will hate, right? If they want to believe it.
Opo. Pero somehow, marami pong naniniwala na mga tao doon sa kanila. And
Hindi naman ko tatakbo.
but ang effect nun ay pati po sa inyong asawa at sa administrasyon niya.
Sige. So take it to that conclusion.
Opo.
Mainis ako. I'll file a case. Bob will file a case. And then, it's two factions again. What happened to nation building?
Eh, lalo nga, no, isang beses, yung isang congressman, former congressman, si Attorney Chong, narinig niyo naman siguro yun. Sabi, sasampaling ko yung kayo nga daw po.
Di ba?
Narinig niyo po yan. Ano pong naramdaman niya?
My first reaction was, di ba you're an officer of the court?
Opo.
And then he says, we cheated. Pero nandun siya nung counting. Nandun siya. He was part of our election team. So why will you wait 1 year to say that we cheated? Diba? Nandun ka, every meeting nandun ka. But, they say you're the size of your enemy. Yan mo na siya. I hope he wins for, I don't know what, congressman or governor or whatever.
And all the rest, yung iba pong mga taong siguro parang nagkakasama-sama sila. Pero mga dati nyo silang mga kasama. Paano nyo siya...
You want me to mention names?
Yes.
For example, SAS, okay? SAS and RJ, I met them because they were sued for cyber libel. So, they came to me, pro bono. Ako naman, I would write because I was on leave that time. I didn't know that SAS was a guy. Okay? So, my affidavit said, she did. Sabi ni Jenny, ma'am, lalaki yan. Huh? So, I did all that, di ba? So, 3 years pro bono. Tapos bigla na lang, something happened. We went to court. She made a deal with the other side and took RJ away. So I'm like, teka muna. Medyo makapal yan, pro bono, 3 years, tapos you'll fire our law firm. Diba? Ako, I didn't know what to tell my partners. Parang, tapos ngayon, kung anong sinasabi, parang, why are you doing that? But, well, if you're happy that way, there's such a thing as karma. I'm sure after 1,500 days, you'll stop talking about me.
Si Maharlika.
Maharlika.
Opo.
I met Maharlika in 1997. We were still in Ilocos. Her name, can I come to your house? So she came. I didn't know her from Adam. Oh, video. That was, I think Bong was governor pa then.
Nga po.
And then, during elections, she was there. Then bigla na lang, gumanon. Sabi ko, ha? Okay, if that... Wow. I hope the money you got is worth the friendship you lost. Let me put it that way. Huwag mo na patulan.
But is
You
it...
know, there's a saying, unhappy people will want you to be equally unhappy. Diba? Tayo, unhappy ba tayo? Tawa lang tayo ng tawa.
Opo. Pero alam nyo, again, babalik ako dun sa araw-araw siyang nag-vlog, araw-araw may nagre-repost. Hindi naman kakaunting tao ang madaling maniwala sa Pilipinas.
Don't you think there's a designed effort?
Yan ang pupuntahan ko. Nakikita niyo ba na mayroong concerted effort?
You think? I don't think it takes di ba? Of course.
Nga po?
Oh, sino gumagawa niyan?
Sino po?
Tanungin ko sa'yo.
Is it all about money?
Hindi, ito na lang sila ginagawa. If you're the president of the Philippines and I'm the Pierce lady, Pierce sa palagay mo ba hindi ko kaya gawin yan? Ay, Diyos ko, tawagin mo lang yung Romania. Kaya ka, but it has to stop. This cannot be. Hindi ganon yung Pinoy. Let them do their thing. Sa palagay mo ba hindi namin kaya gawin yan? You're the president of the country.
Well, actually, marami nga po ang nagsasabi na pagkadali-dali sa inyo, you're the first lady, si Presidente.
Pierce lady. Don't say that.
Hindi po ba ang dali-dali ninyong gumawa ng paraan to take this YouTube accounts down, Facebook accounts down, TikTok accounts down? Bakit niyo ginagawa?
Oh, isipin mo, when Bong ran for president, he won by 30 million. We did not cheat. You think we're going to cheat by losing by 225? Nandun ka, di ba? Ang sakit, Kuya Eddie. So what they were making patikos to Bong, did Bong ever answer? No, because he said, I will not dignify that. And look, he won by 30M. I'd like to think because people believed in him. So now it's harder because he's the president, right? And the gut feeling is fight back, put them down. Why will you do that? What did you accomplish? Down na sila eh. To talk trash, that's really, kung ganun siya, that's it, di ba? Okay, let's take it to the logical conclusion. Oh, let's stop it, let's put them in jail, let's libel. O ngayon, what will happen? Sino na? You know what I mean?
Naintindihan ko po. At si Attorney Vic Rodriguez po.
Kilala mo si Baby Pineda?
Yes.
Okay, so I call her my manager. And she and I were opposites because she is a politika, ganyan-ganyan. Ako naman, super zero sa politics. So I went to her for advice. So naging close kami. Ano masabi niya sa akin? Ikaw, maniwala sa akin. Isa lang gagawin mo pag nanalo si BBM. Siguraduhin mo na lahat ng tao sa paligid niya mabait. At saka para sa kanya. Kasi nakikita ko may ganito, may ganyan. Yan lang gagawin mo. Basically, she said, your only purpose is to make sure your husband is surrounded by good people. And that's what I do. I mean, and it's not because I get picon or whatever. When I see people doing things wrong, illegal, or using their power, then I tell Bong. It's up to him.
Importante sa inyo, pamilya, no? Especially yung mga anak niyo. There was this one time na yung kapatid nyo naman ay isinasabit o ina-accused of being involved in smuggling. Anong pakiramdam nyo pagka ganun?
Siyempre nagalit ako. Sabi ko, Bong, do you really believe that? Kasi my brother and Michael, they're so rich. I mean, they basically bankrolled our election. So if they're doing that there, why would they need the money, di ba? And our CSR na nga, every quarter, we give $1 million of onions, eggplant, sardinas, to the poor.
Uh-huh.
Diba? We give it to the poor. That's why why will you smuggle that, diba? I mean, and if you smuggle it, diba the price will go down, not up. If tumataas yung presyo, kung estudyante ko, sasabihin ko, extend your brain just a little bit. Diba? Tapos ito pa, ito, kakwento ko sa'yo. When I became First Lady, sabi ko, how do we help the orphanages? So sabi ko sa DSWD, kasi may social fund, diba? So me, I never signed my name, but I'm very organized. So I told, please give me the top 10, orphanages in the Philippines per region. So, nagbigay. So I said, okay, using that thing, that system, I told Jenny, ask for the account number. So we'll just give the money. Para diretso, di ba? To the orphanage itself. Aba, bumalik. All the orphanages, Land Bank, account number 1234, in trust for Land Bank. Sabi ko, anong kabalbalan yan? Malay ko ba pupunta dyan or pupunta sa orphanage? So, sabi ko, tapos, I want your account number. Hindi, bawal daw. Okay, change tactic. Sabi ko, let's give na lang through through Lalamove or JNT or whatever, goods. So, let's say, Orphanage A, you are senior citizen. So, we'll give you diapers or whatever. If your school will give you ball pen. So, first month, we gave it. Okay, happy sila. May picture pa ako, may proof of life, di ba? Second month, ayaw daw tagapin. They have to pick it up in the regional office of the DSWD. Sabi ko, what? Yung mga bata, tinatanggap ninyo, ito, grasya ng Diyos. I couldn't believe it. The boxes, tulong palasyo. Di ba? It's manna from heaven, rice. And the more people you help, you can give more, di ba? So, okay. Tapos dumating si Rex. So, nag-courtesy ko. Kilala ko na si Rex. Rex, may problema ako. Ito, ganyan. So, shock siya. So, he issued a memo. From now on, all orphanages can accept, di ba? So, now, times 3 what we're giving.
Ano pa yung mga gusto niyong gawin?
Ako, in June, we're giving mobile vans to 80. Just for, let's say, a senior citizen to have a checkup, they have to go to the barangay, get clearance, get another clearance, go back again. They cannot even walk, di ba? So when we do Love for All, nandiyan na lahat, di ba?
Kompleto na.
Kompleto na. Thanks to my husband, we're giving each province 80 mobile vans. That's gonna be end of June.
Kumusta kayo ni VP Sara?
Talaga. How are we?
Yes,
I was always kind to her. I'm really nice naman eh. Pero when Bong had that Bagong Lipunan rally, she came, and my husband, that was supposed to be December eh. Parang to start the new year, Bagong Pilipinas, parang wag na tayo mag-away, mabait tayo, let's help the people, blah, 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 blah. And na-postpone, ganyan. So I think it was in Feb or March, right? So she went there at 3, and then she went to Davao. And then when she went to Davao, Duterte said, bangag, diba? Imagine a former president calling, bangag? I mean, wow, you had 6 years, why would you call, bangag, diba? So, and then the camera panned on her, tumatawa. So, syempre nakita ko, sabi ko, wow, man, I mean, masakit yan. And then when, said Duterte, si Sandro, yan, gusto maging prime minister, perpetuate themselves in power. Tapos ako, I would say, binibilang ko ngayong mga oras eh. So, pero tumawa sila. So, parang for me, mali yata yan, di ba? Parang, you're getting sweldo from the government, di ba? You're supposed to be the alter ego. We're there protecting you. Tapos gagawin mo yan. Mali yan eh. You cross the line. And many things, I'm not a hypocrite. Diyan, may departure time na, di ba? So, nandito ko. Normally, nag-usap kami. So, ayoko. Tapos, sabi ni, somebody went to me, uy, ang ganda mo today. Hindi, mukha akong bangang. Kumuna ko. No reaction. So, Hindi, bangag. Bangag is the day, I said that bangag is the word of the day. Talaga, no reaction. So yun, then after that, nung talaga, I stopped her. I do it again. I mean, that's not right. You don't do that. That's entitled politics. You're in the government. You're the vice president.
Wala bang kahit na maikling sorry man lang after that?
Bad shot na yan sa akin.
Ganun ba?
Unless she says sorry or whatever. Maybe she will. Maybe she crossed the line. And then going down sa Prague, nakita ko siya ulit, di ba? Sabi ni Bob, behave.